Designing today's smarter, more complex products requires powerful computer-aided software, traditionally with upfront seat licenses, high-performance workstations, and dedicated IT support. Those upfront costs can pose a barrier for many. But Solid Edge X, a revolutionary new addition to the Siemens Xcelerator portfolio, changes all that, delivering the power of Solid Edge in a secure SaaS environment. Solid Edge X offers the industry-leading CAD of Solid Edge and takes it to the next level by integrating cloud-based solutions. With Solid Edge X, you get all the advanced functionalities of Solid Edge with the additional benefits of a cloud-based, flexible, scalable solution, ensuring your design process is always efficient, secure, and up-to-date. Without the need for expensive IT infrastructure upgrades, Siemens delivers, manages, and updates Solid Edge X so you don't have to, enabling you and your engineers to focus on what you do best, innovate. With enhanced cloud-based collaboration and built-in data management, Solid Edge X ensures your CAD data is being handled efficiently and securely. Solid Edge X also offers the ability to scale up your PLM capabilities to Teamcenter as needs grow. Leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, Solid Edge X delivers AI productivity assistance that provides in-app product help, enabling you to quickly and easily find the information you're looking for, improving efficiency and empowering innovation. But most of all, Solid Edge X offers the flexibility you need to design and innovate like never before. It can be downloaded to your computer with storage in the cloud, allowing you to work offline or on premises, and individual user licenses allow you to access your data wherever, whenever. Paired with value-based licensing, Solid Edge X offers even more flexibility with immediate access to a wide array of add-on products through cost-effective token bundles. A flexible SaaS experience, simplified IT, AI productivity assistance, secure data, and seamless scalability. The powerful design tools of Solid Edge are now in your hands with Solid Edge X from Siemens.